So till now, we have launched a lot of new technologies in the country. You know that I have launched Cyton all over India. It's only available at my center. Cyton is a world leader in lasers, and till now there was no such laser in the country. Only my center exclusively has it, and we didn't have anything for skin tightening till now in the country. And I came to know that there's something called as J plasma, now called Renuvion, that is very popular in United States of America. And I'm very proud to announce that we are again the leader, the first one in the country to launch it at New Delhi at Dr Monisha Kapoor Aesthetics. It's a wonderful technology for all those people who don't want any cuts but yet want results on their body. Till now, people were wasting a lot of money on skin tightening technologies without any result. So, this is one technology that has proven result without much downtime, and you won't feel that you have wasted your money on this technology. You can have a look at the results and decide what you need to do. I'm sure everyone knows about liposuction, and all of those who are doing liposuction would agree with me that there are certain things that we still needed something more to do with to get the best results. One is the arm liposuction, and after 7 to 8 months, dealing with the skin laxity. Though there were different techniques available in the market, but the results were not very satisfactory, like radio frequency system. It is available, but looking at the results, they are not very promising. Now there's a new innovation that's called as J plasma that was introduced in the United States to deal with the skin laxity issues post liposuction or post surgical procedures, aesthetic procedures like facelift, the neck lift. I think it is one thing that we as aesthetic plastic surgeons were waiting for. The moment I heard about it, I called up G3 and I said, I want it for my patients because I know that these are certain issues that we had an answer, okay, let us try this, let us try that, but we didn't have happy patients. But I'm very positive and enthusiastic about this J plasma because if you see the science behind it, it takes the temperature to 85 degrees without burning it. So there's contraction of collagen fibers as well as immediate skin tightening, and the results would take 3 to 6 months to show. And if you look at the results of other surgeons, they are fabulous and worth trying. I have done 3 cases till now with my machine, and I'll keep you updated with the results that I saw with J plasma. There were, as a aesthetic plastic surgeon, there were 4 difficult areas which I felt had no answers. One I have already spoken about, like arm liposuction, post liposuction, 8 to 9 months. You see the skin laxity under the arms, which patient pinch and show it to you, but then you have no other option than to send them to your dermat colleague for skin tightening. But as plastic surgeons, I think we have a more aggressive tool called as J plasma. And one more thing that was very resistant to treat was the bra rolls. Even though after liposuction of these bra rolls, the patient saw some improvement, but they returned back in 9 to 10 months showing those folds that, doctor, I don't like it still. Even though we told them that this is loose skin, but they, like small babies, they always looked up to us to find some solution for that loose skin, especially of women in 50s age group and 45 plus and 50 age group, like very health conscious. But they used to pinch that fold and say, I don't like it, I don't like this bulge. So J plasma is the answer for that too. And all those patients who wanted a thigh tuck or showed the scrapey skin post bariatric or in the inner side of the thigh, and wanted you to give you a solution that led to skin tightening, again J plasma is the answer. I'll show you how I did it and what probe I used. You can see in the videos that I did two of the faces. One is my mom, I did her facelift 6 years ago, and one is another patient of mine. She acts like my mom. Her facelift also I did 6 years back, and I recommended them J plasma for their faces post facelift, as a post facelift maintenance. My mother was the first one to try it out, followed by another patient of mine for whom I did a facelift 6 years back. And then I did it for the back rolls, the most difficult area which I feel to give satisfactory results to the clients. I did the back rolls of one of my clients. Just to see, what I did was I did this on one side and left the other side to see how effective is J plasma to deal with the bra roll, and I'll show you soon the comparison between the two sides. For more information, call on these numbers. Our managers would be happy to assist you. And if you want to know about the prices, please visit our website, our Insta page, and check the results of our patients.